Good day also, welcome back to our channel. So buying a grade A minibus is number one. Then for this minibus to last in your hand, now rest on your shoulder, because the maintenance you are going to give this bus will determine if the bus will last 2 years, 3 years, and even 10, 20, 30 years. Because if you give it bad maintenance, that bus will die quicker. No matter the engine that bus came with, no matter the transmission, you will kill it by yourself. So in this video, we are going to be talking about the Suzuki Every and the Daihatsu Hijet maintenance tips in Nigeria. So this video is very important, not just to minibus drivers, even for highest bus drivers, because the tips here are very, very clear. So let's get started. Number one, don't neglect the engine oil. This is one thing that people always neglect. There are people that always go around topping oil. They will buy, they will top, they will buy, they will top. That's not how to change oil. You are neglecting that engine, and the day that engine breaks down, you pay heavily for it. It's always advisable, if you want to change oil, you change everything. Get original oil that is designed for that particular engine, replace it. And once you change it, make sure you get the original, because getting the oil is number one, getting original is another thing. Make sure you replace this oil, change it from A to Z. And if you are removing it, make sure you are changing the oil filter, because if you don't change the oil filter, that is another problem on its own. Because remember, that oil filter has been there filtering the oil that goes into the system, so it still has debris from the last oil that you change. So it's advisable, change the oil, change the filter. Don't cut corners when it comes to engine oil change, because if you do, it will affect the engine. When there is less oil in the system, it will lead to friction, and friction generates heat. From there, wear and tear will set in, and then you will be looking for where to get money and get a new engine. The next thing on the list is cooling system. Don't neglect the cooling. When you talk about the cooling system, you talk about the coolant. In Nigeria here, most people use water. Water is not the normal grade of coolant that you are supposed to use. It's advisable to get the normal grade of coolant, depending if you are using 3+ or 4+. Use the original grade coolant. The coolant contains so many other things aside from that water. There is the antifreeze. There is this stuff like alcohol that makes it cool down quickly and go back to the engine. There is what constant lubricating oil that will lubricate the oil sleeves and the water sleeve that water will pass through to cool your engine. So there's a reason why they have coolant. Water is here, but Nigeria, remember, we have hot, very high temperature. So it's very advisable, use the right grade of coolant. Always check the coolant level, and whenever you are driving and you notice that your engine is heating way too high, please park aside and check and know what's the major cause. If you have been using water, switch to coolant. Flush the engine's cooling system and switch to coolant, because the water is okay, but not the best to use. The third one is the transmission. Some people neglect changing oil on the transmission. Oil on the transmission needs to be changed depending on the usage, the years you have used it, and the months, depending on the route you are taking. People that are using it for private drive once, and the people that are using it for public transport is not the same interval. So don't worry about the time frame. In our next video, we are working on that. We'll get everything to give you both the cost and everything. So the transmission oil, please make sure that you change this oil as at when you notice that there is an issue with yours, maybe your gear, when you engage, it doesn't go that fast. Please make sure you check and fix it on time. Then we talk about the air filter. Please, whenever you are doing maintenance, check the air filters. Make sure that the air filter is good. Some people don't even have air filter in their car at all. These air filters are the major things that filters the air that goes into the engine for combustion. I know that for combustion to take place, there must be air, and if the air entering into your system, into the engine, is not good, my brother, that engine will die a natural death, because it will leave some debris inside. So please make sure you change the air filter. Even people who are using normal cars don't even know that there is air filter in their car, so they can just keep driving it. Please always check the air filters. The next one on the list, number 5, we have the brakes. Please make sure you don't ignore your brakes at all, because the brakes are very, very important part of a car. If the brakes fail while you are on speed, my brother, the story no dey end well. So please make sure that you check your brakes properly. Anytime you match your brake and feel like this brake is not catching as usual, please go and check it. If possible, change the pads and get it to work at the maximum level, because if the brakes fail, my brother, the story no dey cool at all. At number 6, we have the suspension. Very important for people, especially for private users. If you are driving a car and notice that the suspension has gone out of shape, please replace it or try fixing it, but fixing it is never an option. Replace it with another one, because if you fix, the problem might come back few days or even few months after. So this suspension is very important, especially if you are using it for public transport. Once people knows that this is your car, once you enter garage, it will be as if it's jam iron. Nobody will enter and you'll be driving around, nobody will mind you. And once people get to know you with that, my brother, your business does spoil. So please check your suspension, whether you are using it for private or using it for public. At number 7, we talk about your tires. Please always make sure you look at your tires. Make sure that your tire is still in good shape, because if this tire burst while you are in motion, my brother, they know they clean at all. Please, and if you check the alignment, make sure that your tires are properly aligned, because without proper alignment, the tire will be wearing off from one end. And also check the bolts that hold the wheels to the car. Make sure that every bolt is tightened to spec, because if not, if the tire loses or anything, the story not the end well. Then we talk about the air conditioning at number 8. This is for most people that put it. If you put air conditioning, make sure that you always check to know if it's working properly. If they are stopped, please try to check it. Never ignore warning lights. When you see any warning light on your dashboard, please, if you don't understand it, go to your mechanic, ask him to explain. Don't just cut corner. Some people, when they go to mechanic, they tell, don't worry, this one is small thing. My brother, that warning light is there for a reason. Please make sure that you fix it, because if you don't fix it, the story no dey end well, because now you go pay. By the time it's up, your mechanic's job is to be giving you bill. You're right, it will give you pay. And if you don't pay, your car will be stuck there, no business, everything will go down the drain. The last but not the least, at number 10, please make sure you use the right mechanic. Don't cut corners. Use a mechanic that understands your car very well. Make sure you replace any part with the original part. Don't let them coerce you into buying parts that are based in refurbished and parts that are not worth it, because if you buy it, you are still going to pay more, because that part will still fail you. Most times, instead of the part failing to fail and also drag another part along. So please make sure you use the right mechanic. In conclusion, I believe that you have learned one or two from this video. So please make sure that you maintain your car very well. For your car to last depends on you. Please, if you need a mini bus grade A, do well to reach out to Alpha Laws Reviews Limited on 08107992356 for claim buses at an affordable rate. Please, for my customers who are bought from me, I really appreciate using this opportunity to thank you very much for the support, and for every fan that have been watching and liking our video, I really appreciate. Thank you. Please, before you go, do like and subscribe, because the kind of update we going to bring to you from now till December until next year or per year, my brother, I go shock you. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.